Have dry, dehydrated and dull skin? Worry no more. Your all-in-one dream solution is here. Introducing a revolutionary serum by the Derma Co Snail Peptide 96 Hydrating Serum. Combining the pure Korean magic of snail mucin, this product deeply hydrates your skin, keeps skin dryness at bay, and makes the skin soft and supple. Being first of its kind in India, this serum boasts a potent blend of 96 pure snail secretion filtrate, 2% peptide complex, and 2% niacinamide, giving that sought after glow. Snail mucin soothes dryness and irritation. Peptide and niacinamide accelerate skin regeneration, boost collagen, which actively helps with dark spots, pigmentation, and uneven skin tone. The outcome? Revel in the embrace of healthy, well-hydrated skin that feels remarkably soft, supple, and hydrated. And don't worry, no snails were harmed in the making of this serum. So go ahead and try out this wonderful product.